everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick video, I'll show you how to fix lag and packet burst in Call of Duty Black Ops 7 on your PC. If your game feels choppy, stutters, or keeps showing packet burst icons, follow these steps. Solution 1. Go to Search and type View Network Connections. Click on the result. Find your network adapter, Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Double-click it, then click Properties. Now click on Internet Protocol version 4, TCP IPv4. Make sure Obtain an IP address automatically is selected. Then under that, select Use the following DNS server addresses. Enter these DNS values. Preferred DNS 1.1.1.1. Alternate DNS 1.0.0.1. Click OK to save the settings. Solution 2. Go to Search again and type CMD. Right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. Click Yes. Now type this command and press Enter. ipconfig/flush DNS. When that finishes, type this command. netshwin sock reset. Press Enter again. This refreshes your network configuration and can reduce lag spikes. Finally, restart your computer. After rebooting, launch Black Ops 7 again. Your lag and packet burst issues should be fixed.